So frequently we get a question, I blew under the legal limit. Don't they just have to dismiss it? And the answer is no. Well, really the answer might be maybe. So the law in the state of Maine is there's a presumption that if you blow a .08 or higher, you are per se under the influence of alcohol. If you blow between a .06 and a .07, then there is no presumption that you are under the influence. If you blow below a .06, there is a presumption that you are not under the influence of alcohol. But what happens when you blow under a .08? Do they just say that's the end and we'll dismiss the charge? No. Oftentimes what happens is law enforcement, they arrested you because they thought you were under the influence. And, oh, wow, you didn't pass, you passed a breath test. Well, I, as a law enforcement officer, couldn't possibly be wrong. So you must be under the influence of drugs. Maybe it's a prescription medication, maybe it's marijuana, maybe it's illegal drugs, but I'm going to get to the bottom of this, and I'm still going to charge you with OUI because I'm going to bring in a drug recognition expert if I'm not one, and I'm going to put you through another series of tests, and I'm going to ask you some questions, and ultimately I'm going to determine that you're under the influence of drugs. So just because you blew under the legal limit does not mean they cannot charge you with an OUI. Either because you're just under the legal limit and there's no presumption, or they believe you're now under the influence of drugs. The charge is still the same. It's an OUI.